Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARGS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute time frame in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement from not only a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of people watching this one today, so let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk about areas of resistance as we move forward. So the first level of support, and really kind of that ideal level going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what's going to make this chart look the absolute strongest is if the price can stay up above 20 cents. So far, so good. The price is up above it. And the reason this area is important is because this was a previous key level as far as charting is concerned, because it was a level of resistance, and a basic ruling in charting is that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And you can see the price got somewhat close to it right there, but never quite tested it. But moral of the story here is that, best case scenario going forward, if 20 cents can hold, that's going to definitely make the chart look the strongest. I mean, if you think about it, the price does come down here and then kind of flirts around this area before heading back up. In this situation, after that sort of price action, you'd have a big old base right here. You'd have this previous base down there. You'd have that base down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, then the overall stair steps would still be very clearly heading in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly big picture type movements with genuine power are going to do over time. They're going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as 20 cents. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance, if the highs of the day have any chance of getting tested, is right up there at the 26 cent mark. So 26 cents, that initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, then yes, at that point in time, it makes sense to go up there and talk about the 29 cent mark. But really it doesn't make much sense to be talking about doing battle with 29 cents until 26 cents can first be broken. So 26, 29, two key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, it's really a game of building higher bases at this point in time. So let's see if the price can stay up above 20 cents going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.